I'm gonna show you how to easily install Postman on your PC or Windows 11. So to get started, you have to go to the link right here and postman.com/downloads. So from there, you will just go to Windows 64-bit right here and click on this one, and there you will be redirected to the download page. And then from there, it will automatically download the application or the exe file. And then once it's done loading, you just have to click on the download file. It is pretty straightforward. Once you clicked on it, the Postman will automatically download and install the application on your PC. And then once it's done downloading or installing, it will just automatically launch the app. And then from there, you can just log in into your account, and that's it. That's how to easily install Postman on Windows 11.